Today's Saturday. We have a lot of things going on today. We should be shooting our international project, but we're not. I recently had to make some changes at the company, and I'm thinking some processes. And today is Saturday. We're working on checking the trucks, checking my fleet, and our pickup truck that we usually use for service, water pump went out. So we have to use our good old N14 tow truck as a service vehicle, but since it hasn't been used, it's been sitting for a long time, I have to jump start it. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll show you guys today how we're checking trucks, how small fleet gets checked, and what we do, and how our day goes as far as checking our fleet and making sure we're good for Monday. Alright, so we got some customer work today, and our trucks are coming in. And what did he bring? Did he bring something? No, it's 96. He just pulled it out. All right. This is my first truck, black 12, still in service locally here. We should be working on this, but we're not working today. We're on this truck. We're gonna keep moving on it this week. Hopefully we'll get out of this bottleneck for a little bit and go back to this. Put my dirty hat on today. This is an N14 with 1,000,000 miles on it. Runs very smooth, no blow by. I really like this truck. Supposedly it had a lot of work done before I bought it. So we went on to load up our pickup truck, and our water pump is out just right by the shop. So we're lucky it didn't break on somewhere picking up parts or something. We're printing service orders, and I'm gonna walk away from paper. I want to have everything electronically, and we have a display by our clock-in to see what the service is. And we're washing our trucks today, so I'll show you. Alright, let's take this one back too. Worked a lot, and we'll check in on Jose. of vehicles parked. We're gonna need that trailer. I will need that trailer. One of my fifth wheels, one of my drivers told me that fifth wheel is not good, so I have to look it up and check it, but I can also do it here. I have one right here. And we're gonna have deep cleaning of trucks and detailing, and we're trying to catch up on all of those cleanings in the shop, but now it's just a nice day to take care of it. All right. Whoa. Whoa. Where you at? Jose? Are you under the truck?
Alright.
Look at him, he's got a haircut. So we're gonna do a day in the trucking company,
Yep.
right? Like we couldn't record it because when I got to the shop, the tow truck didn't start, so I had to start that.
Yeah.
And then I was like, well, you know what, let's just record everything.
How about right now that we were gonna use the pickup?
Yeah, and the pickup, I recorded the water pump too. Let me go get, because there's a couple trucks done, and then I'm gonna we're done with 2 or 3, so I'll bring them back here and then pick up more. So we have, our shop is usually on Saturday we're open half day, and then we check everything, do customer work. We have additional help as far as technicians coming, helping out either evenings or weekends. Used trucks need a lot of care and making sure you can predict what's going to fail and what issues you might have on the road. And this just got bought by a dealer, old Coronado, 1.5 million miles. Transmission just went out on it, and dealer bought it from a customer. I think they're trading it in. Chicago has very smooth streets. I don't know if you guys knew that. It's no potholes. Just amazing streets in Chicago. George, my name is Sebastian. I'm looking at some units. I know you see, you're calling me for 16 D13s. How many of those do you have? Tell me a little bit about it. George, can you hear me? You got 4. Correct. Those ones, the 400,000 something. Perfect. Tell me about what is it? What was the lease return, or you guys? Can you tell me a little bit about them? I would want to know, because I need at least 5. So perfect. What I would want to know is the DPF story with them. If you could pull that record somehow for me, or at least have them check. But I would want to know what other costs I'm gonna have coming when if I buy them. Any record would be helpful, to be honest with you. And yeah, I don't know if you do still, if I can stop by and you can I look at them? You guys operate normally? Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Talk to you. Bye. I'm looking at a fleet right now. So we're gonna go look at them. Good pricing, good mileage, D13s, pre-cum really D13s. So we're gonna look at a fleet and see if we can make a deal with them. So if my pickup didn't fail, I would have just drive the pickup, but now I have to go pick up the tow truck, bring everything here so we can check. We already found issues that the way we're doing it is just planning, pulling in immediate stuff, and then planning for the rest of the week the things that can wait a little longer. So there's an awesome cab over parked over here with a race sleeper. This is a storage facility, and somebody has a cool cab over there. Interesting. I like that cab over. I'm finding all types of goodies on the walk back from the parking lot. There's a M3 parked. That's really, really nice. Laguna Seca blue, I think is the color. The wing looks like somebody's been tracking it. Very nice, very nice. Alright, this customer has a couple issues. Mirror missing. Well, cab shocks are making a very loud sound, and it's gonna be done very quickly on Monday. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking the tow truck, and then we're gonna use it as a pickup truck and a service vehicle, because we don't have a pickup right now that works. Somebody is driving with a kid over there. I always like that. That's how I got into trucks, and my dad taking me on trips in the truck. The fifth wheel, and if he has not the minor kit, but we need the major rebuild kit for the same thing, but with everything. That's what we need. I did. I know. We have to fix the pickup truck on Monday. Alright, gracias. So what I'm doing here is I get all the information, the mileage, and I look at the history in our system, and then it tells me what we need to do, have we missed something, and if there's any major problem that we need to address, we just pull it into the shop, and I create a service order from the shop to immediately have it in our system for the shop. Therefore the mechanics know what to do and the shop knows what to do. So this one has no issues, and we're just gonna collect the info and keep going. Those bumpers are getting beat up on those Coronados. Picking up one. We have a few trucks still running, but we have, I would say, majority done. So, good day. It's almost 2 p.m. Got a tire, a couple of fuses. kids and wives. Oh, I need some. I don't always drink Red Bull, but when I do, it's a small one. Or if I don't have time to make coffee.
Oh, good. He said they weren't working on it? Or was it something working? Everything working fine.
Oh, good. The only thing was the speed.
Oh, it's reading
I'll
out
tell-
5 more, right?
I'll tell him we're gonna hook it up. We'll do it over the weekend. Let him stop.
Alright.
We'll do it. We should be done for the day. Let's do. Do you want to drive and I'll hop in and we'll run through everything and
Yeah.
summarize what we needed. This is the truck I did before you buy a truck video that has a lot of views on our channel. It's been a year I've used it. No issues at all. Amazing truck. I was just recording that the green one is the one. It's over a year I did the video before you buy a truck.
Oh, yeah.
The one that has a lot of views. It's exactly that. And we had it. We didn't have it in the shop at all.
No.
Just don't spill my Red Bull. Is the computer here?
Yeah. Computer's in there.
I'm sunburned probably. Everything else, I mean, we got everything done as far as like major stuff,
Yeah.
right? Some the whole week is planned, but
Oh, 87 with that spring. The Trailer Airlines right here.
yeah, true.
So we're gonna have to get that taken care of.
Yeah, let's get the spring and just put it on
Yeah, we're gonna need 2 springs because I guess he, well, probably jackknifed around here somewhere.
and pulled it.
Pulled it.
Yeah. Right, but that's day in the trucking company. We're gonna put the springs and be done. We want to go home to our kids and wives.
Yep.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and we'll talk to you soon. That N14 sounds so good. Million miles. That's okay. I'm not joking.